Hello everyone. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is the reading for you, yearly reading 2021 predictions. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your yearly predictions. What are the messages for you in 2021? What are the messages for Gemini? This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your Gemini, your yearly. Wow. 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 Very good positive reading for you, Gemini. So these are the first 4 months, this middle and these last 4 months. Okay. So first 4 months, what's going in your life is definitely there is love is coming in your way. There is love between you and your person. Yeah, you both could be soulmates also. Two of Cups and Gemini. You or your person could be. Definitely there is love. I think, but something is happened between both of you in first 4 months. 10 of swords and 9 of swords. Definitely maybe you are in some anxiety energy in that. After that something happened between both of you, maybe some fighting and whatever, then you will be in this energy in first 4 months. And you are thinking about other person a lot. You are unable to sleep, especially at night times. When you are alone, you are thinking about your person a lot. But first 2 months, definitely there is some positive in love. Definitely you both, there is lot of love coming in your way in first 2 months. But in next 2 months, what I'm seeing here, the some thinking, you, I think for some there is some no contact, for some there will be separation. That's why 10 of swords, some painful endings, some cycles ending in your life. But still you want rebirth in this connection. That's why you are unable to move from your person, if you are in separation at that time, because that's why you are in that energy. But after first 4 months, the middle 4 months, you stand by your power. Someone is coming back. Okay, your person is coming back for reconciliation. They want second chance, Gemini. But you stand by your power. Your person could be Libra also. And 6 of Pentacles, 4 of Swords and Knight of Wands. Definitely in middle 4 months, definitely they are coming back with a lot of passion, what I'm seeing here. And but you are now concentrating on your career in middle 4 months, because you want to overcome this pain. Then you decided to invest your energy on yourself. Okay, that is the best decision. Because when you stand by your power, you are taking your power back, then you are investing your energy on yourself. And 6 of Pentacles, definitely you getting a lot of money in the middle of 4 months. And yeah, when they are coming back in relationship wise, but you are not talking to your person because you want some healing. Okay, that's why you are not talking to your person. 4 of Swords, you are undergoing some healing process, even though they are coming back to you. You are investing your energy yourself, but you are thinking them a lot, but not talking to them. Yeah, in the middle of 4 months, definitely they are trying to coming back again and again. In May, they will coming back to you and ask second chance, but you are not responded. Then August, they will try again, because there is a lot of passion. They are attracted to you, your person, in relationship wise. In career wise, definitely you are passionate about your work. You are investing your energy on your work, on yourself. You are making so much money. You are making so much abundance. You are in right track in the middle of 4 months. Okay, in the last 4 months, what I'm seeing here, definitely some commitments, some marriage proposals are coming in your way. September month especially. In September month, definitely, because in August they are coming back with a lot of passion. It could be your past person or new person, depending upon your situation. I am seeing the past person coming back again and again. For some, it could be new person also. Definitely, they are coming back with marriage proposals. Some commitment is coming in your life, in your marriage life. Husband. For some, there will be marriages also. You also give second chance to them. I think you both will be committed. You both will be marriage. in the month of September and August, like this. Okay, like that time span, definitely some commitment is coming in your way. And October month, definitely there is stability in relationship and financial, in career also. Definitely you will achieve this. What you are investing in your life, definitely it will be giving results to you. I think you are investing your energy on your career, on yourself. So here it is. Definitely you are more abundant in the last 4 months. You are achieving more abundance, and in relationship wise also you are achieving more stability than before. And 10 of Wands, November, I think you have more responsibilities. If you are committed to your person, definitely you have to see your career as well as your person. Definitely you have more responsibilities in the month of November, and you are feeling overburdened. Okay, I think it is like suffocating energy for you, because responsibilities, so many responsibilities for you in the month of November. But you are bounce back in the month of December. Ace of Wands, definitely you are very passionate about your relationship and your career. I think you know how to balance both in the month of December. You are achieving balance in your life in the month of December. So it is very positive reading for you, Gemini, in relationship wise and career wise also. You are achieving and you are balancing both the things. Yeah, I am seeing reconciliation. If you let them in, definitely your person coming back for second chance. I think some marriages I am seeing here, you both committed in the last 4 months. But in the middle 4 months, you are undergoing some healing process. Okay. After the tough period, you will undergoing some healing, then they will coming back, then some stability is coming in your way, both in relationship and stability and financial. Then in the month of November, you are feeling overburdened due to the so many responsibilities. Then again in December month, you bounce back. There is a lot of passion and lot of freshness in your work and relationship also. Okay, so your person involved in this connection could be Earth sign, Aries, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe. Overall energy, overall message for the year 2021. Gemini. So your overall message from the universe. Only 4 cards. Wow, 9 of Cups. The Moon. Yeah. The Fool. Wow. Wow, see what I told. Definitely your wishes are going to be granted. 9 of Cups, the Moon. I think in the middle of the month, I think in the starting, definitely you are going something through. And the Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden. You may be suspected by others. That creates so much disturbance in your mind, or there may be your person maybe hide something from you. That type of energy, some illusions, some fightings. But again, there is a brand new beginnings for everything in your life, career. You are investing your energy on yourself. You are going with the flow. The Fool. And yeah, for some you will be accept the offer which is offered by your person. There will be a brand new beginnings in love also. The Fool. But you are flowing. You are going with the flow. The Fool energy. This is very good energy, and at the end of the year, definitely you will get financial stability, because 10 of Pentacles is there already. I told you, you will achieve financial stability. You stand by your power. You are no more dependent on either emotionally or financially on anyone, because 9 of Pentacles, you achieved this. You achieved balance in your life. That's why Ace of Wands is here. There is a lot of passion involved in your life. Either you doing your work with passionate energy, or in relationship also there is a lot of passion involved. I think for some there are 2 persons coming towards you. One is new, one is past person. So some commitments, some marriages I am seeing here. I think if you are in committed relationship in 2021, you will get marriage. You will get married. Okay. So this is the overall reading for you. This is just overall message. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. See under the deck, Temperance, definitely you are achieving some balance. So this is the reading, guys. Bye.